think this is a earring, but it's gone the thing. So I'm gonna find a what you call this, a earring that gonna fit in here, or you can use this as a pendant also. So I think this is matching with that other earring necklace, but this one is just this it's gone the thing, probably the earring back then. Need to find so matching with those necklace I have.